In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update the status for applied jobs on Indeed. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Now, whether you're actively searching for a new job or keeping track of applications you've submitted, managing your job application status is crucial. Indeed provides a great platform not just for finding job listings, but also for keeping track of where you stand with applications. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to start by logging into your Indeed account. So, grab your device and head over to the Indeed website. Once you've arrived at the site, click on the Sign In button located at the top right corner of the page. If you've already logged in, great, you can skip this step. But if you're not logged in, enter your credentials, your email and password, and hit the Sign In button. Once you're signed in, directing your attention to the top of the page, you'll see several tabs. Look for the one labeled My Jobs. When you click on that, you're entering a very useful space where you can manage all aspects of your job search, including job applications. Once you're in the My Jobs section, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the jobs you've applied for. You'll see a list of all your applications, which often include essential details such as the job title, the company name, the date you applied, and of course, the current status of each application. Now here's where the fun begins. If you want to update the status of a job application, find the specific job on your list. You'll likely see options or categories like Applied, Interviewing, or Offer. To update your application status, click on the job listing you want to manage. This will take you to a more detailed page for that specific position. Look for an option that says something along the lines of Update Status. It might be represented by a small pencil icon or a drop-down menu, depending on the current layout of the Indeed platform. Once you click on that, you'll be presented with various options to select from. For instance, you could change the status to Interview, Received Offer, or even Declined. If you're actively engaged in the interview process or have received an offer, selecting the appropriate status will reflect your progress properly. But let's say you haven't heard back, or you want to mark a job as no longer interested. Indeed, you can do that too. Once you have selected the new status, don't forget to save the changes. There's usually a prominent button labeled Save, Update, or something similar. Click on that, and voila, you've successfully updated your job application status on Indeed. Now, a couple of tips to keep in mind as you manage your applications. Make it a habit to routinely check this section. It helps keep your job search organized and ensures you don't miss any follow-ups or interviews. Additionally, if you've applied to many jobs, consider keeping a personal log or spreadsheet outside of Indeed. This way, you can track applications and statuses more comprehensively, noting any specific details that might be tricky to recall later on. And remember, it's always a good practice to follow up with employers after an interview or an application if you haven't heard back in a reasonable time frame. You can keep all of this organized and mindfully walk through, thanks to Indeed's platform. So, that's it for today's tutorial on how to update the status for applied jobs on Indeed. I hope you find this tool to be extremely beneficial as you navigate your job search. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tips in the future. Good luck,